Hey there, I need two things. I need 2 5-finger plates.
Is fries and coleslaw okay?
Yeah, that sounds great.
Awesome. Anything else?
Yeah, can we get 2 extra packs of Zax sauce?
Anything else?
And 3 packs of tongue torch?
I can give you 2.
You can give me 2? You can't do 3 for me?
No. Anything else you do that?
I guess that'll do it.
Alright, 2 cups of tongue torch, 2 extra Zax sauce, 2 5-finger plates, 1 with Coke Zero, and 1 with CC. Your total is $19.50 for
Thank you.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to OK Cooks!
On today's episode, we're making Zaxby's pizza.
Ooh. Alex,
Yes.
why are we making Zaxby's pizza?
Easy. We love Zaxby's. We love pizza.
We do love pizza. But one thing that we've noticed, there's a bunch of people on YouTube making Chick-fil-A pizzas. We ain't about that. We're gonna make a Zaxby's version. You wanna know why?
Why?
Because they got Zax sauce, they got tongue torch sauce, they got crinkle fries, and they got coleslaw. I can't wait to put some cold coleslaw. Cold
Coleslaw?
No, it's cold slaw.
We're not doing this again.
I can't wait to put some coleslaw on top of that pizza. But anyways, one thing that they're also doing is they're using pre-cooked crust. We ain't about that.
Nope.
We're gonna use a pre-made crust, but we are gonna cook it. All right, with that, let's go ahead and dive into this pizza dough and get to work.
Let's pop it.
My eyes are watering. Man, I'm excited to pop it.
Pop it.
All right, Alex, we got thin crust and we got original crust. No, classic crust. Which one are we using? Thin, classic.
Classic.
All right, like Alex said, we're gonna go ahead and use the original crust. What does this, how do we do this? All right, so preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Got it, hold on. Okay, that's preheating. Next, we're gonna unroll the next we're gonna unroll the dough on a cookie sheet, form to your desired thickness and shape. How thick we want this?
Not super thick.
I guess we'll figure it out when we get it on the pan. Then we're gonna pre-bake the dough for 8 minutes.
Yep.
So, what does that mean?
Pre-bake it?
Yeah.
You put it in the oven by itself.
All right, so we're gonna pre-bake it for 8 minutes, and then we're gonna pull it out. We're gonna top as desired. Well, you know what we desire.
I do.
Zaxby's! And then we're gonna get it back in our oven for 6 to 10 minutes. It's that easy. Who knew?
Pillsbury did.
I've never used this before, but okay, let me go ahead and get it out.
Pop it.
It says use a spoon. I never use a spoon. You ready?
Yeah. Oh, really exploded. Oh,
Oh God.
don't drop the dough.
Get it out. Get it out. Get it out. Whoa. Oh. Okay.
Do you want it? Oh God. There's a predefined seam on here.
Oh, okay. I see it now. Show them. Turn on.
All right, look. See,
There's a
little seam.
There's a seam.
Little slit in here. You want to start to unroll it, and then that's pretty much it. So then you just start putting it in your pan.
Should we grease that? Oh, did the instructions say grease it? Let me look.
No, I don't think so. So then you just start pressing it down.
That's a sheet of dough.
That's it.
How's that look?
It looks good.
All right.
Just try and get it uniform. That's really the main thing.
Okay.
There we go.
Feel good about that?
I feel great about it. Hey, Will, what are we going to do to the pizza dough before we get it in the oven?
We're gonna brush on some melted butter.
You want it nice and wet. Then what?
Then we're gonna sprinkle on some garlic powder. How much? Ooh, just a delicate amount. Okay, not a lot.
Yeah, you don't want to go crazy.
Okay, we got that pizza dough all buttered up. We got it all garlic powed up. We're gonna go ahead and get it into the 400 degree oven for 8 minutes. We're gonna pre-bake that, Alex.
Pre-bake it.
We're gonna pre-bake that, Alex. Pre-bake it. All right.
So let's get it in.
All right, Alex, now that we got that pizza dough in the oven, what are we gonna do to our Zaxby's food?
I think we're just going to chop it all up.
Let's go. I don't wanna chop the fries.
Okay. Let's chop our fingers.
I do wanna chop the fingers.
Let's chop the fingers. We'll leave the fries whole. We're going to skip on the Texas toast.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna need the Texas toast on the pizza.
Yeah, me neither. And then we're going to save the coleslaw for later.
We will need the coleslaw. But, is that still in the box?
Yes.
I'm gonna get the coleslaw out because I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Because I kind of want
cold.
I want cold coleslaw I want to put that on top of the pizza because I want it to be cold and crispy. All right, I'm gonna put it in the fridge. All right, let's go get these fingers out. 1 finger, 2 finger, 3 finger.
Don't lose a finger.
Zaxby's fingers do smell so good. All right, so we got the fingers out. I think we'll just do like a delicate chop to them. Yeah, we'll do a delicate chop to these because we want to sprinkle them on top of our pizza dough. You want to chop them?
I can chop. I'm thinking we do like,
Ooh, like a little, ooh, okay. It's gonna be pretty hard for me not to eat some of this Zaxby's chicken, just sitting here all juiced up, all sliced up.
What's stopping you?
I'm saving it for the pizza. So, and just the cutting of it, the fragrance that's coming out, it's like a Yankee Candle. You think they sell a Zaxby's scented Yankee Candle?
I don't know, but they should.
We got that chicken all chopped up. Now we're just waiting for the dough, because once we pull the dough out, then we're gonna, top it as desired?
Yes, we're gonna fulfill our desires.
All right, so we'll get back to you once that dough's done, and we'll top it as desired.
All right, dough has been pre-baking for 8 minutes. It's time to get it out.
Wow.
While it's nice and hot, you want to just get a little bit of salt on there just for a little extra flavor.
All right, we've been letting that dough cool for about, I don't know, 3 minutes.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do to it next, Alex?
Secret, we're gonna flip it over. Because at this point, the butter's been melting on top, the garlic's been getting it all infused, we added that little bit of salt. We want to actually taste that flavor, so let's flip it.
Let's flip it.
All right.
That's sneaky. I like that sneaky trick.
Yep.
Okay, so now should we go ahead and get our sauce down on this?
Let's get our sauce on.
So for the pizza sauce, we're gonna be using Zaxby's famous Zax sauce.
We sure are.
Approximately 4 containers. So let's go ahead and get this on and then we'll brush it on.
Yeah. It's got quite the sound to it.
Where's that brush?
It's in the sink here.
All right, let's go ahead and brush this around, see how much more Zax sauce we need. We're definitely gonna need, I mean, we got 4 containers because we didn't know. I'm gonna get another Zaxby's in there. Zax sauce. Oh,
Oh, hello.
look out. Look out. Look out.
I think that might be good.
Look out. I gotta get it all out. Okay, I got it.
Sure. But I think sauce-wise, 3 packs. For this amount of dough, 3 packs of sauce is good.
All right, we got that pizza dough all zacked up. What are we gonna put on next, Alex?
We're gonna put chicken on next.
All right, let's go ahead and do it. You just want me, I'll transfer some over.
Yeah.
Chicken sprinkles.
Yeah, sprinkle that chicken.
Look at that, dude. Oh my goodness. You only see this type of chicken sprinkling in the finest of restaurants.
That's right.
We're bringing you into our restaurant tonight. All right, that's it. That looks fantastic. What do we do next? What are we adding next?
French fries.
Crinkle fries.
Yeah.
I have more. Is that good?
Yeah, this feels great. All right.
Wow. Look at that. I'm drooling. Holy crap. Okay.
It looks great.
So, what does all great pizzas have?
Cheese.
We're gonna go ahead and add. I still got fry in my mouth. Hold on. Okay, what do all great pizzas have?
Cheese.
We're gonna go ahead and add some cheese. For today's cheese, we're gonna be using a Cheddar Monterey Jack blend. We went ahead and we got a craft block. We shredded it, because you ain't gotta see us do that. Just trust me. We shredded it. Let me get it. I got a whole sheet of cheddar and Monterey Jack. Okay, you gonna get in there?
Yeah.
Here we go.
We gotta be pretty precise with this.
Oh yeah, you don't wanna be too
crazy with it.
aggressive.
You gotta make sure you get good coverage.
Oh, wow.
Cheese is really important here.
This is gonna be A+. So when we pull this out of the oven, we're also gonna top it with coleslaw and Zaxby's tongue torch sauce. Just add an extra, to add an extra level of spice. And if you remember, they're pretty stingy
Yeah.
with that tongue torch sauce. We tried to get 3, the guy was like,
No.
All right, cheese down.
oh mama. All right, so this pizza is looking A+. How long are we gonna get into the oven for?
Honestly, just long enough to melt the cheese. Just watch it.
Like another 8 minutes?
Maybe 5. I'm thinking 5. What's on you? Cheese. Yeah, let's get it in for 5 minutes. We'll see where it's at. If we need to add a few more minutes.
I don't know what that was.
What did you eat? Was it something stuck to the towel?
Let's go ahead and get this in the oven.
All right, the pizza's been in for 10 minutes. It's time to get a look.
Oh man.
It's ready. Let's take it out.
Oh my goodness.
All right, we let the pizza cool for a couple minutes. Let's transfer it from the baking sheet to the cutting board.
Good job.
Smooth.
This pizza is looking great, but we gotta finish it off. We're gonna finish it off with a little bit of coleslaw and a little bit of tongue torch.
Coleslaw.
What we did is we went ahead and we drained the coleslaw because you don't want to add a bunch of like slawy juice or whatever it's called to it. So let's just sprinkle it. Just a little bit of, because what you want with this is to add an extra layer of crisp to your Zaxby's pizza. On some pizzas you would use Parmesan. On this, we're using coleslaw. For some reason, this is making it look better.
I think
On
so.
paper, you're like, oh, you're gonna sprinkle coleslaw on? Yeah, dude.
This is Zaxby's pizza.
I think that looks great. Now that we got the coleslaw down, let's go ahead and get our tongue torch sauce on. We're just gonna pop open a corner of this, not the whole thing, a delicate corner, and then we're gonna drizzle.
Drizzle me timbers.
Let's drizzle. I wanna see how you do it. Oh wow, here we go. Dude, bring on the,
It smells great.
dude, it smells like Zaxby's
It does.
and pizza. All right, well, let's go ahead and slice it up.
All right.
You know what time it is?
I don't.
Time to eat it. All right, here we go. Which piece do you want?
I'm going for this corner.
You're gonna start with the corner? All right.
Yeah.
Ooh, I want to get a good corner.
Oh,
All right, first casualty. Look at this.
it does look like something.
These look ridiculous.
Agreed.
Are you ready for this?
So ready.
All right, first bite. Here we go. Cheers.
Cheers.
Boink.
Mmm.
Dude. This is so good.
Flipping that crust though.
I was about to say, the first thing I tasted was that garlic powder on the bottom. Dang, Alex. That's a good hack. Yeah.
It's just a great pizza.
The coleslaw, too.
Honestly, this is the perfect pizza.
Move over, barbecue chicken pizza. Zaxby's pizza is here, and it's here to stay. The bottom of the crust, flipping it.
Mm-hmm.
Total game changer.
Been doing that for years.
Wow, man. And that tongue torch sauce.
Mm-hmm.
It is, it's all on my lips. I got the lip feel.
Is it burning?
A little bit.
Lip torch.
Did you roll up to the party?
You roll up with a Zaxby's pizza to
Yeah.
a party?
People are like,
Yeah.
you brought a what?
Yeah.
I brought a Zaxby's pizza. A who?
Zaxby's Pizza.
You're not leaving alone, that's for sure.
I was thinking the same thing.
Alex, did we make the best Zaxby's pizza ever?
Yeah.
Will we make it again?
Yes.
Did we garlic pow pow the bottom?
We did.
Was that the secret? Is that what took this pizza from zero to hero?
Partly.
Well, I think we did it.
All right.
If you like this, go ahead, scroll down. Give us a comment, give us a like. We'll take your foot-long subs to this week. We will, okay?
I get what you're saying. Subscribe. Well, that's it. We'll see you next time.
Tongue torch for sure. Let's get cooking! Piazza crust. 13.8 ounces.
Of tube.
I do love Zaxby's sweet tea.
Hey, Will. What are we going to do before we get the pizza dough in the oven?
Hold on, I got to move back.
Hey, Will. What are we going to do to the pizza dough before we get it in the oven?
I came up too early.
Yeah, you really got.
All right, so we got the, all right. Should we just eat it?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, it's soggy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not eating any more of this.
It's moist.
Now that we're, here we go. My time to shine. It's my time to shine. Okay, you ready?